That's true. So, okay. So what would you tell a student if they were thinking, should I take this class? I mean, do I really want another hour of algebra every week? What would you tell them?
Yeah.
I mean, I would say to do it. I mean, it's worth it.
Yeah, it's definitely worth it. And there's methods to make things easier. And you're the one who taught us those methods.
Okay. So you would tell them to do it. And would you, you're at the end, so it's easy for you to look back and tell, would you make the class more weeks, more time, less time? Well, how would you change it?
I would probably do it more times a week, like maybe 2 times a week for like 45 minutes or something. Because what I was running into was I was just forgetting how to do like 1 or 2 steps.
Yeah, that's how I was a couple of times too. Like I forgot like a couple steps and some of the things.
Okay, that's interesting. So twice a week, but shorter class times.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, just keep it out. I don't know. Just like, I think I would do it like more frequently each week,
Okay.
like once or twice.
Okay. What do you think, Eli?
Yeah, I think that's good. I don't know. This is the first kind of class I've taken, so I think it was good.
Okay.
Changed anything.
Yeah, I always try and change it up. Like the first year I did this, we started in the fall. And it was a long haul, but I'll tell you, those kids were so ready for the exam. I had a girl, it was her senior year. She had taken the algebra EOC. This would have been her 4th time. She took it in 9th grade, 10th grade, 11th grade. She's a senior last year. She was going to have to take the exam. And if she didn't pass it, she wasn't going to graduate from high school. They were just, her mom was beside herself. And she was one of the hardest workers I've ever come across. She sat for that exam. And she got a 5. She got a nearly perfect score. She missed just a couple. But it was because we worked, for a longer period of time. So I'm just trying to find the right balance for everybody, because I know not everybody's going to be willing to do that and sign up for that early on. So I just really wanted to hear your feedback and see what you thought. So one thing, if you would do for me, I know you've done a lot of things for me and I've asked you to practice and I know you have, and all those things. When you get your scores over the summer, will you email me or text me or call me and let me know what your scores are? Because I really want to know how everybody did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. And between now and when you take the exam, I'm going to send you the answer keys to this, but if you have a question, you can always send me a text and I will respond to you and answer it. Okay. All right. You guys are great. Best wishes, best of luck on the exam. And I can't wait to hear how it goes.
Thank you.
All right. Go have a great summer after that. Get this test done so you can have your summer.
Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. Take care, guys. Bye.
Bye.
You too.